Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a funny noise by using your hands and your mouth. So, I'm going to show you what this noise is right now. Wait, crap, what am I doing? So, this is how you do it. So, what you're going to be doing is taking your hand, making like a little hole like that, and sticking your pinky up. And making like a fist, stick your pinky up, make a little hole where you can see through it. Looks like if you put it up to your eye, you can see through it. And so what you're gonna do, you're gonna say girl, except you're gonna go girl, 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 and not close your mouth. So crap. There you go, guys. So you guys say girl, 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 and make a hole. Okay, see you guys.